Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I did this hairstyle. I got a lot of requests on how I do this, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm first starting by taking out the hair that I usually use to do my edges, and then I'm going to comb and brush all of my hair upward, and then I'm going to be putting all of that together with a small rubber band. So this is just to hold it in place, as you know, I like spray it and gel it up and stuff. So the hairspray that I'm using here is the Stronghold hairspray from Extra Hair, and this is a really great hairspray, and it's also very affordable, only $20 TT. And I just spray that, and then I comb my hair into place using a small comb, and then I'm going to go ahead and gel that up using some Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil version. So now that I have all of the gel applied to my hair, I'm just going in with this small comb that I was using, and I'm just going to comb through the gel throughout my hair. And I'm also going to be using the palm of my hands to smoothen the gel. Then I removed the rubber band that was holding my hair in place, and I applied this woogie to just bring all of my hair together. So now moving on to my edges, I'm going to be applying some of the same Eco Styler gel that I used before, which is the olive oil version. And using a really small comb, I'm just going to create some really nice swoops for my edges.
You never see her coming. She and me one. Now so me say. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She and me one. Now so me say. She wants a wonder, bad man, na na na. Kiki, young buds, baby. I see big deals.
Now that I have my edges completed, I'm just going to spray my entire head with some of the hairspray again, and I'm going to tie it up with a satin scarf so that my hair can set. I'm now gonna start working on the bun. So what I like to do is create like a base for the bun by applying some rubber bands all the way up to the end of my hair. So I don't have much hair, so this works fine depending on how high you want your bun. That's how high you're going to do like this base here. So now moving on to the hair, this is one pack of pre-stretch expression here. I've used this already, but it's just one pack. And what you're going to do is take one end of the hair, is going to be longer than the other, and the shorter part you're going to be putting that to the back, and then you're just going to apply like a woogie or a rubber band to hold that into place. And then you're just going to detangle the hair, ensure that it's nice and smooth, and you're going to flip all of the hair backwards. Then I'm just going to be creating like a wraparound for the base of my bun. So all I'm going to do is take out some of the hair. So I just took 2 clips and I'm going to be using those to clip away the rest of the hair, which is going to be used for the bun. And then I'm going to start to work on the wraparound for the base of the bun. So I'm just ensuring that this hair is detangled and nice and smooth. It's going to ensure that your wrap is as smooth as possible. I just went in with a small comb to detangle it again, and you're just going to start by wrapping it around the base. And each time I wrap it around, I'm going to be combing it through again and just continue to do the same thing until we're at the end of the base. Okay, so that would be the completed video for this hairstyle. My bun was kind of lean, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumb up, comment down below, subscribe. When you subscribe, please turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss any future videos. Also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be down in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.